National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, Northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, Southeastern Cooke County in north-central Texas, Southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Fairview, or 7 miles southeast of Decatur, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include McKinney, Frisco, Denton, Sherman, Corinth, Sanger, Prosper, Celina, Krum, Pilot Point, Argyle, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Northlake, Krugerville, Crossroads, Gunter, New Fairview, Dorchester, and Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 8:17 p.m. Central Standard Time.